in Riverdale Elementary School. Today I have with us Mr. David Benoit. He is from Lane Restoration and Construction, and they're here to completely sanitize our building. And I just wanted him to speak to you all relative to what the cleaning process entails and to talk to you about the chemicals that they're using to sanitize our building. So Mr. Benoit, thank you so much for coming to our building today. Will you please tell the Riverdale Elementary School family what actually is occurring today in our school?
Yes, what we're doing today, we're using a product called ZEP2. It's actually been tested and has coronavirus and multiple types of SARS on the label, so we're good to go with the actual effectiveness. And what we're doing is we're fogging. A super thin fog is what it is, with very small micron size particulates of this spray. You spray the rooms and all the areas very thick, and it hangs in the air and it coats all the surfaces in the room. And of course that will kill any type of pathogens, any type of virus that it touches. So that's the objective today, is to coat the entire inside of the school, every square inch of inside of the school, with this product to kill anything that could possibly contaminate as far as viruses, pathogens, everything.
Awesome. Thank you so much again for being here. And Riverdale family, I want you to know that we are working very, very diligently to make sure that whenever our students return, that we will have a clean and safe building. Take care, we appreciate you, and we'll see you and your students very soon.